Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to copy and paste a whole document or page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take some page with some text. Now we want to copy and paste whole page in this Publisher. Firstly, select the whole page, click the page and press Ctrl on our keyboard to select multiple page. Then click right button on our mouse, then click insert duplicate page. Now we can see we copy and paste the whole page in this Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.